Has your printer stopped responding when you click print? Your document stays in the queue, nothing comes out, or Windows says printing, but the printer does absolutely nothing. The good news is, this problem is usually caused by a connection issue, a stuck print queue, or a software problem, not a broken printer. In this video, I'll show you 8 simple and updated solutions that work with most HP, Canon, Epson, Brother, and other printers on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Let's get started. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Step 1. Check if the printer is actually ready. Before changing any settings, make sure the printer itself is ready. Check these things. Is the printer turned on? Is there any blinking red or orange warning light? Is there enough paper? Are the ink or toner cartridges installed correctly? Is the printer displaying an error message on its screen? If your printer is showing a paper jam, out of paper message or cartridge error, fix that first before trying to print again. If everything looks normal, move on to the next step. Step 2. Confirm the printer connection. A printer cannot respond if your computer can't communicate with it. If you're using USB, disconnect the USB cable. Wait about 10 seconds. Reconnect it securely. If possible, plug it directly into the computer instead of using a USB hub. Try another USB port if available. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure the printer shows a Wi-Fi connection. If the Wi-Fi light is blinking, the printer may have lost connection. Most home printers only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi during setup. If your router has separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, connect the printer to the 2.4 GHz network unless your printer specifically supports 5 GHz. Also, make sure your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Many print problems happen because the computer is on one network while the printer is connected to another. Step 3. Restart everything. Restarting clears temporary communication problems. Turn off the printer. Shut down your computer. If you're using Wi-Fi, unplug your router. Wait about 1 minute. Turn the router back on. Wait until the internet is working. Now, turn on the printer. Finally, start your computer. Once everything reconnects, try printing again. This simple restart fixes many temporary printing issues. Step 4. Make sure the correct printer is selected. Windows sometimes sends print jobs to the wrong printer. Open your document, click Print. Look at the printer name. If you see Microsoft Print to PDF, OneNote, Fax, Old Printer, Offline Printer, or another unused printer, select your actual printer instead. If you're not sure, open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Select your printer. Click Set as Default if available, then Print again. Step 5. Clear stuck print jobs. One stuck document can block every new print job. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Select your printer. Click Open Print Queue. If you see documents waiting, click the 3-dot menu or Printer menu and choose Cancel All Documents. Wait a few seconds. If the queue refuses to clear, restart the printer and the computer, then check again. Once the queue is empty, try printing a fresh document. Step 6. Run Windows Printer Troubleshooter. Windows includes a built-in printer troubleshooter that automatically checks common issues. Open Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Find Printer, click Run. Follow the instructions on the screen. Windows may automatically repair the problem or recommend a solution. This is much more effective than older control panel troubleshooters because it's updated regularly through Windows. Step 7. Update or reinstall the printer driver. A damaged or outdated driver can prevent the printer from responding. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Select your printer. If Windows shows a driver problem or the printer is unavailable, download the latest driver from your printer manufacturer's official website. Install the newest driver. Restart your computer. Avoid downloading printer drivers from random third-party websites. Always use the official support page for your printer model. Step 8. Remove and add the printer again. If the printer still isn't responding, remove it and reconnect it. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Select your printer. Click Remove. After it's removed, restart the computer. Now select Add Device. Wait for Windows to detect the printer. Choose your printer and complete the setup. For Wi-Fi printers, make sure they're already connected to your home network before adding them again. Bonus fix: check your security software. Sometimes antivirus software, firewall settings, or VPN connections can interrupt communication with network printers. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it temporarily and try printing again. If printing works, your VPN may be blocking local network devices. Also check whether your firewall is preventing printer communication. This problem is uncommon but can happen after installing new security software. Final tips: if your printer still doesn't respond, try printing from another device, like your phone or another computer. If another device prints successfully, the problem is most likely with the original computer. If no device can print, the issue is probably with the printer or its network connection. Also, keep Windows updated and install firmware updates for your printer using the manufacturer's official software. Firmware updates can fix compatibility and communication issues introduced by newer versions of Windows. That's how you can fix a printer that's not responding to print commands. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Print Smart Help, and leave a comment below with your printer model if you're still having trouble. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.